What's up guys? So this is our day number 22 out of 365. So for today's run, recovery run kasi last time kagabi nag 10k tayo. So ngayon at least 3k to 5k lang ulit yung run natin with easy pacing. So mga 8 minutes to 7 minutes lang yung time natin. Pero yun lang. Pero let's go. Let's be active. Let's run. Run for your life. Let's go. Let's run. Let's go. 1K guys. 7 minutes. Current time. Let's go. Two more to go. Or 3 or 4. Let's go. Basta takbo lang. Let's go. 2K. 3K guys. Hindi ko na alam oras. Kasi hindi na ako nakapag-video. Let's go. 4K guys. Sagad na natin ng 5K. Last one. Let's go. 5K guys. 6 minutes and 33. So that's our 5K run. Our day 22 out of 365. So easy to moderate pacing lang nangyari sa atin ngayon. And medyo nakakapagod din. Pero as well, na-hit naman natin na yung blood flow sa paa natin sa binte. Para lang hindi mag-stuck siya. Kaya tayo nag-recovery run. And isa rin yung everyday run natin na motto. Ayun lang. Don't forget the hashtag pa rin. Run for your life. Always be active. Be healthy. And be wealthy. Sheesh. Let's go. Always keep running for a better life.